Hi guys, today we will do an unboxing of the Leatherman Squirt PS4. This is actually my smallest Leatherman. So as you can see, it is still a sealed box. So it has 9 tools, 25-year warranty. So inside we have the tool and the manual. The Leatherman Squirt PS4 is quite small, so this is a good multi-tool for keychain. You can attach it with a keychain because it has a lanyard hole. So if you compare it with the other Leatherman multi-tools like the Wingman or the Charge ALX or the Signal, so you can see that it's quite small. So let's put this aside. Although it is small, it is very sturdy. It's lightweight. So inside, if you open, you have a spring-loaded plier, which is nice. We have a long nose plier and a regular plier, and then we have a cutter. So even if you have a knife, the cutter is still very useful. I like the spring-loaded plier. So let's check the other tools. We have the file. So we have this one is a diamond file, then the regular file, then we have the knife. So even if you have the knife of the Squirt, it is better to have another EDC knife because the knife itself is quite small. We have the scissors, which is nice. It's a spring-loaded scissors. Spring-loaded scissor. And we have a flat screwdriver and a bottle opener. This one can be used as a cross screwdriver. You can also open this with like a pry bar. So that's it. It's quite small, but it's useful. You can just hang it together with your keys. Please don't forget to subscribe. So this is the Leatherman Squirt together with the other Leatherman multi-tools. Please don't forget to subscribe.